Question 12, 2x minus y equals 10, 2x minus 8y equals negative 4. Okay, so the two x's are ready to cancel, they're positive and they're ready to cancel. Now, well, I can subtract that way or I can subtract that way. I can subtract down or subtract up. What you want to do is always subtract from the number that seems higher. Now y could be negative, but if we just pretend, if we do a number line in terms of y's, you would go minus y is above minus 8y. Well, you always want to start here and subtract that way. Okay, so basically I'm subtracting down and I'm getting minus y minus 8y, which is 8y minus y, which is 7y. Okay, now let me break that out into its algebra. Minus y minus 8y equals 10 minus 4. Because I'm subtracting. Minus y plus 8y, minus by minus is plus, equals 10 plus 4. 8y minus y looks nicer, that's 14. That's 7y equals 14. Y equals 2. Ready for substitution. Okay, subbing here, we're getting 2x minus 2 equals 10. 2x equals 12. X equals 6. So we have 6, 2 in that order. We'll do this mentally here. 2 6s is 12. Minus 16. 12 minus 16 is minus 4. It's verified. Okay. So 6, 2 is the value of xy for question 12. 1 to go. Number 18. And that's enough. 6 questions is plenty. So we learnt about subtracting. What did we learn tonight? We learnt about subtracting like exactly equivalent terms. Okay, so let's have a look how that works out here. 5x minus 2y equals 2. And I see a problem here with a fraction. Equals 3.5. So here's a problem, and let's just take the policy, we'll multiply out the fraction. But if we do, we're going to upset this balance, so we're going to multiply top and bottom by 2. 10x minus 4y equals 4 times 2 the entire system. Not going to change the answer. 20x minus 4y equals 2 3s is 6 and 2 halves is 1, 6 and 1 is 7. So now we look at this and we go, well, 20x is bigger than 10x. And in terms of a next number line where you get 0, x, 2x, and it doesn't matter if x is positive or negative, 20x is definitely above 10x. So I'm subtracting up, giving me 10x equals, not nice, but we'll have to live with it, assume that's okay. X equals 3 over 10. You now then put that in your calculator and solve the rest using your calculator maybe, but and I don't fancy putting him there. I would be okay with putting him here, because the 10 here will take out the 10 here. So that's a bit of critical thinking. Oh no, then you have a 3.5 over there. Let's put him where we always put him. We put him here, the top one. And this is where the running is now. We're accepting the fact that if we haven't made a mistake there, then we can use this as our verification system. So I have 10 times 3 over 10 minus 4 times y equals 4. 10s go out. Okay, the factors go out above and below the line. And we have 3 minus 4y equals 4. minus 4y equals 1, with the 3 subtracting from both sides, and we're getting y is minus a quarter. That isn't a lot of fun. You have 3/10 and negative a quarter. Okay, deep breaths, I'm going to verify it. I'm going to verify it by inspection, or I'm going to verify it mentally. So what is 20 of them? Well, the 10 into 20 is 2, so 2 times 3 is 6. And what is minus 4 of minus a quarter? Well, the minuses and minuses take each other out, and the 4 and the quarter take each other out. So it becomes plus 1, and you have 6 and 1 equals 7, so that's definitely right. It's definitely right for the top one because we used it to generate the y. And now it's definitely right for the bottom one, which it always had to be as long as I didn't make a mistake. You saw me make a mistake earlier and it saved my skin. So the answer is xy equals 3/10. And this is well differentiated, if maybe not a little bit kind of an extension problem, in that it really is, it's stretching you. They weren't a walk in the park. They were difficult. But as I say, you'll be able to use calculator later to do that if you really struggle with fractions. But you shouldn't accept struggling with fractions, and you should be trying to address it. This is the best way to do it, and it's probably the fastest way of doing it. That's it. See you the next day.